Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to block someone in Facebook group. Blocking someone in a Facebook group can make your experience so much better. Here's why it's useful. First, it helps you avoid negativity. If someone's being rude, spamming, or causing drama, blocking them keeps your feed peaceful and focused. Secondly, it gives you control over interactions. Once blocked, they can't comment on your posts, tag you, or message you in the group. No more unwanted attention. Third, it protects your privacy. Blocking stops them from seeing your activity, so you can engage freely without worrying about who's watching. And the best part is, it's quick and reversible. If things change, you can always unblock them later, whether it's spam, harassment, or just personal preference. Blocking someone in a Facebook group keeps your space safe and stress-free. And how to do it? First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your phone. Once the app is opened, you have to open the group from which you want to block a person. Now let's suppose this is a group and I want to block some members from this group. What I will do, I will click on members. From here, what I will do, I will click on see all. Now I will able to see all of the members that have joined group. Members with things in common, members living in my city, new to the group, and much more. You can also search members from the search bar. For example, if I want to block this person, what I will do, I will click on his profile. His profile will open. I will click on the three-dotted button and simply click on block. Click on block once again. As you can see, I have successfully blocked this person. I will click on close. And that's how simply you can block someone on Facebook groups. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.